Hello, it's me Officer NiGHTS. Let's talk about probability of rolling a die. You might have seen 6 faces, each of them marked from 1 to 6. If you have thrown 2 dice, then this will list the sample space below, from 1 and 1, to 6 and 6. That is 6 times 6, is 36 ways. For example, let's take 1 die. What is the probability of an even number? This might answer your question. So, this is simple, take 2, 4, and 6. The probability of a die containing even number is 3 by 6. Or, 1 by 2. Let's take another example, take 2 dice. What is the probability that the sum contains 7? This might answer your question. The sum equals 7 is from 1 and 6, to 6 and 1. That is 6 by 36, or 1 by 6. No matter how far will you roll a die many times, same as number of dice. In general, say 6 to the n exponent. That gives a multiple of 6, that is 36, 216, 1296 and so on. Also, rather than the cube of die. Did you notice a 20-sided die? You can see a different variation of a die as an example. 20-sided die is an icosahedron dice. For at least 2 of them, the sample space will be listed below. There are 400 ways of rolling 2 icosahedron dice, that is 20 times 20. Here's the question for you as an example. What is the probability of getting a prime number on an icosahedron die? As you can see, we select these numbers which are not a proper multiples. 1 is neither prime, nor composite. 2 is an even prime number, which is not a proper multiple. 3 is an odd prime number onwards, after even prime number. 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19 are prime numbers. Must carefully count the prime number values, start from 2, and ends with 19. That is 8 prime numbers. The probability is 8 by 20, or 2 by 5. You can find any other dice like dodecahedron, tetrahedron, octahedron and others containing various number of sides. Now, as you might have recognized the 3D shapes, let's see the cutout template. For a basic die, say, a cube. They contain 6 faces, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. On the other hand, I showed you recently, an icosahedron die. They contain 20 faces, 30 edges, and 12 vertices. I hope you learned so far. Please subscribe now on YouTube.